We'll guide you through how to download and install the Google Play Store on Windows on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The Google Play Store has got loads of different apps and games on it. You need to head into the description and click on the link or in the pinned comment. That will bring you to BlueStacks. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And what we can do is go and press download BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so this means you're going to have an Android device on your computer essentially, and we can use that to then have the Google Play Store and go and open up File Explorer and go to your downloads. Find the BlueStacks installer, double click on it like so, and you'll go and get a Windows security pop-up. And what we can then do is press install now. Make sure you read and agree to the terms of use. I already have, and I'll press I agree as I do. Wait for this to download and install. When it finishes, it will go and open up, as you can see. To get to the home screen, you can click on the home button in the top left or the bottom right. And what you can then do is press System Apps. In here, you've got the Play Store and you've also got the other store as well. In this case, I'll go and open up the Play Store. You need to go and sign into a Google account. So we can click here and I'll sign into mine now. Here we are. I've now gone and signed in and we can now start browsing it. Let's say I wanted this game here. I can go and click on it and press install over to the left. When it's finished, it will go and say play. But if we then come to the home screen, we can go and see that it's here as well.